Let's take a look together and see what we can do next. I'm not saying I'm sorry because I'm not the one that created the issue. This is going to help build trust and credibility fast. You're not passing the buck, you're being their advocate. Hello, insurance friends. It's Stephen Harrington, Dakota, the diva of insurance with Agency Performance Partners. Spending a couple of minutes with you today talking about how do we handle upset customers? How do customer service reps that are insurance experts make this happen? Because we've all been there. The phone rings, and on the other end is a client who's not having a great day. Either the rates went up or claim didn't go as expected. They're frustrated, and now it's our time to shine. This is where customer service reps truly earn their stripes. First of all, we need to take a deep breath. Before we respond, we need to reset our mindset. At Agency Performance Partners, we say you can't control the rate, but you can control the relationship. So we need to start with calm confidence. Use a steady, empathetic tone that lets the customer know, hey, I hear you. I'm here to help. Let's work through this together. Even if they're upset, you're the thermostat, not the thermometer. You don't react, you regulate. We then need to acknowledge and validate. We need to use an empathy-first phrase like, I can completely understand why you're frustrated. If I were in your shoes, I'd feel the same way. It's important that we can be relatable, but not accept faults. We then shift to ownership. Let's take a look together and see what we can do next. I'm not saying I'm sorry because I'm not the one that created the issue. This is going to help build trust and credibility fast. You're not passing the buck, you're being their advocate. We then really need to make sure that we have a solution. At APP, we teach the use of the power of processes. Use your management system to pull the history. Double check notes and carrier updates. And make sure that we're getting to know the client. We then need to offer clear next steps and set realistic timelines, even when the answer isn't what they want. Your clarity helps build confidence. Something like, here's what I can do today. I'll reach out to the carrier and I'll call you back by 3 p.m. with an update. Sound good? Remember, proactive beats perfect. So our final thought and things to think about, being a CSR insurance expert doesn't mean having all the answers. It means being the calm in the chaos. And we want to make sure that service isn't just solving problems, it's building relationships. So the next time somebody calls upset, don't dread it, own it. You're not just a CSR, you're their go-to insurance expert, and that's powerful. Until next time, go crush it one call at a time, and I'll talk to you soon.